In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio volume in a video. If your video sounds too quiet or too loud, don't worry. This is a very simple adjustment and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. The goal here is to make your audio more comfortable for viewers, whether you want to boost the volume so voices are easier to hear or lower it so the sound doesn't feel overwhelming. To begin, open the video you want to work on. Make sure you've selected the correct clip before making any changes, especially if you have multiple videos in your library or project. Once the video is open, look for the edit options. This is where you'll find the tools that let you make changes to your video settings. Next, go into the audio section. This is the area where you can control how your video sounds. In many apps or editing platforms, audio settings are grouped separately from visual tools, like trimming, filters, or text. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the menu carefully until you find the audio option. Once you're in the audio settings, find the volume slider. This is the control you'll use to make the sound louder or quieter. Drag the slider in one direction to increase the volume and drag it in the opposite direction to reduce it. Move it slowly so you can make a more precise adjustment. Small changes can make a big difference, especially if the original audio is already close to the level you want. As you adjust the slider, try to think about the type of video you're editing. If it includes speaking, the voice should sound clear and easy to understand. If it includes music or background sound, you'll want it to feel balanced and not overpower the rest of the content. It's usually best to avoid setting the volume too high, because that can make playback unpleasant for viewers. After you've made your adjustment, preview the video. This step is important because it lets you hear how the new audio level actually sounds during playback. Listen closely from beginning to end, or at least check the sections where the sound is most important. If everything sounds good, go ahead and save your changes. That's it. You've successfully adjusted the audio volume of your video. With just a few quick steps, you can make your content sound much more polished and easier to enjoy.